Good morning, good afternoon, or very good evening to all the students and teachers watching this video. Welcome to your own YouTube channel, that is my online English class. And in this video, we are going to learn how to write a short essay about Teachers' Day. So students, be ready with a pencil and a paper. You can write along with me. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a teacher and the second President of India. When he was the President, some of his students came to him to seek the permission to celebrate his birthday. He said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, this particular day is celebrated all over India as Teachers' Day. This is a day to appreciate the hard work that teachers do and the impact that they have in our lives. The most important person behind any successful student is always a teacher. Teachers always try their best to transform the students into the responsible citizens. Various programs and functions are arranged on this day to express gratitude towards teachers. Students give gifts to their teachers on this day as a token of respect and appreciation.